How to install the PKM-42 Industrial Mincer Sinew Separator set. First, make sure that the auger is fully seated into the drive shaft. Next, insert the pre-cutter plate with the text always facing to the right. The centering washer is essential. We always use it, even in triple sets, because it centers the plate and the auger. Place the S for turbo knife with the text and arrow marks facing towards you, and make sure it is properly seated. Then insert the 10mm plate, again with the text facing to the right. Once it is in place, insert the tendon removal knife with the text and arrow marks facing towards you. Next, insert the 3.5mm plate with the text facing to the right. After that is seated, fit the tendon removal set into the machine and attach the retaining ring. Tighten it with light pressure. First, check if the feeding tube moves freely when empty. Once you are sure it moves, tighten the tendon removal adjustment. Take the tendon removal hose, align the notch on the hose with the designated grooves, and attach it. Then turn it half a turn clockwise. After attaching the hose, insert a small amount of meat before starting the machine. Then turn the tendon removal device about 1.5 turns counterclockwise. This step may vary depending on your product. While the machine is running, adjust according to the ratio of tendon to meat coming out of the tube. Turning clockwise reduces the amount of tendon separation, while turning counterclockwise increases it. You can set the adjustment based on the amount of tendon coming out of the tube. Your machine is now ready for use. Thank you for watching.